Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to our podcast. So we are going to be your host for the day. My name is Hafiz Badlan Kurnia.
My name is Fadil Yusuf.
So today we are going to discuss two topics for the day. The topic is very interesting that maybe everyone will be interesting to listen to it because the first topic is artificial intelligence. So let's dive into it. So the first one is artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence?
Okay, thank you for having me. I'm excited to share my opinion today. Okay.
Uh, s- lanjut.
Oh, okay. AI is or artificial intelligence is a technology that allow computers and machines to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. For example, AI can learn from data, recognize speech, answer question, solve problem, and even make designs. Today, AI has become an important part of daily lives.
Also, AI is now really is in everything. So if is there like anything you can uh, like the downside of the AIs maybe?
Okay, I think AI is becoming more popular because it helps people work more efficiently. Many companies use AI to save time, improve accuracy, and reduce repetitive work. AI can process a large amount of information much faster than humans.
Oh, so is it true that AI can take your job, can take a few jobs from humans? Is it really, is it that thing can really happen to us?
Yeah, of course. For example, is ChatGPT, which help user answer question and generate idea. Another example is Siri or Google Assistant, which can understand voice command, and Google Translate also use AI to translate language more accurately. Face ID on smartphone use AI to record face and improve security.
So it is really it can take human job. So it is actually a bit scary, but in the other side, like we already thought, like Fadil said, that AI can be really helpful in some way. Like when you have a task, you have assignment, you like when you're afraid that what you're saying is going to be mean something different by another person. So AI can help you in that, but in the other side there is always the downside of something like that. Like AI has always have something like a big downside to it because because some people think that AI can just take the job that they had right now because they are way smarter. They have a lot more resource than human. They can operate like 24 hours a day. So it is really fascinating how at one thing can be a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. So in your opinion, what are in your opinion? So that's my opinion of an AI. But Fadil only talk about the like what is AI can do, but like I want to ask you what your opinion on AI.
Okay.
This your general opinion on AI.
Okay, there are many advantages. First, AI helps people finish tasks faster. Second, it reduces human error because machines can perform repetitive work with high security. Third, AI is available 24 hours a day without getting tired. AI is also useful in many fields such as education, healthcare, transportation, and business.
Okay, so looks like our perception of AI is almost the same. So, uh, can you explain it in education how AI affecting the education right now?
Sure. In education, students can use AI to find information, practice English, or learn programming. Teachers can also use AI to prepare learning material or create quiz more efficiently.
Mm. So, so AI is really taking over almost everything in our life because if you just think about it, that your toys that can sing and everything, it's actually an AI, and an AI right now is very popular. But back then, when but AI is actually a very old technology, like from the 90s, 90-ish technology. It's very old actually, but right now it's just becoming something really common in our life. And so that is very helpful of you by telling us what is an AI is, and what and so we should so this AI thing you said, should we use it responsibly in like with responsibility, or like we can just use it whenever we want?
Yes, AI also has some disadvantage. One concern is that some jobs may be replaced by automation. Another problem is privacy because AI systems often use personal data. People also need to check AI generate information because it's not always correct.
So it is, we have to use AI very carefully, because sometimes AI is not always right, because sometimes it's just the problem from the AI itself, or anything else behind it. And so thank you for sharing this information with us. And so for the next topic, Fadil is going to take on the job as the host, and I'm going to answer the question. So go on, Fadil.
Okay, topic 2, computer network. Welcome back. Our second topic is computer network. Can you explain what a computer network is?
So computer network is just a bunch of computers connected with each other. The connection can be a local area network or wide area network. The difference is local area network. The computer itself is sitting side by side or really close to each other. But with wide area network, this laptop can connect with other laptops in like other countries, other continent, different house, different city, like that. So that's connection by wide area network.
Okay, next, why are computer network important today?
So why is it important? Huh? Because today, if you feel it yourself, that the computer network is really are like becomes one with our life, because you cannot live without your phone right now. Just imagine when you work, or when you got class, like something like when they inform you in WhatsApp you don't have phone, you don't have any computers, you don't have any internet like that, you wouldn't know it. Because sometimes, even if it's already like have a day when it have the you have class that day, but the teachers doesn't come, or you have work today, but there's like something going on in the company, so it's off. It's very important for people today to have computer network, we have phone, internet, and something like that.
Okay. Can you tell us about the common types of computer network?
Like I already said, a computer network has a few examples like local area network and wide area network. Like I already said to you, local area network you have to you have to be close to each other, and with wide area network you can communicate with everyone in the world. So that's a common type of computer network right now.
Okay. Next, what are the benefits of using a computer network?
So the benefits is very the benefit is very like significant to us humans right now, because in the early days like 2000 the 2001 and before that, we still need to like send mail with in a physical letter. Like it can take like 2 to 3 days to get to the get the letter to someone you want to reach. So with the computer network right now, that uh, that duration can be like cut from 3 days to like a second right now. So the advantage is still a lot more. You can like play games like and a lot more things like internet, like watching YouTube, watching the show you like, something like that.
This is very useful. Okay. Are there any problem with computer network?
Oh, it's a lot of problem with computer networks, because when you look at it, computer network are really like 50-50 things that sometimes you feel secure, but sometimes you feel like, oh, what happened to my data? Just it's really just like that. The advantage is really subtle, but you can feel the disadvantage in using this, because your data is everywhere, your everything is everywhere, and almost everyone can access it. Good.
Yeah. How can we make computer network more secure?
If we want to make computer network more secure, the best thing you can do is think before you do, because sometimes the link you click is not something you think what it is. Because sometimes if you think that, oh, it's just a normal link to a video, but sometimes behind that link is always there's always something like uh, a virus, malware, or a hacker waiting for your data, waiting to strike you before without you even knowing. Then after that, you feel the consequences, because they got your data and they use it for something bad, and you have to deal with that consequence.
Agree. Network security is becoming more important every year.
Yes, it is becoming very important every year. So everyone have to be really like think before they do anything in the internet. So be careful with that.
Yeah. Thank you for your explanation. It was very informative.
Thank you as well for having me right here, and thank you for asking me a lot of this meaningful question.
We have reached the end of today's podcast.
Uh,
Thank you for.
Thank you for everyone who is listening to us. We were sorry for everything we said, if it's wrong or if it's not like what you think it is, but so we are sorry. Maybe that's it. That's all from us today.
Yeah, maybe thank you. That
Okay, so thank you for everyone who's listening. Bye bye.
bye.